Assalamualaikum, my name is Nufara Izzati binti Zelani. I'm going to present to you my academic project. The title of my academic project is Cleaning Services Strata Property in Reducing Transmission of Covid-19. Strata was perhaps a foreign concept to Malaysian property owners who were more settled to landed houses a decade ago. But now it became a commonplace for some or many of home buyers and investors. The rise in the popularity of strata homes and high-rise housing developments can be associated with the lack of land, greater land costs in various Malaysian cities, and a growing need for security measures among other factors. Towards the positive growing of number of stratified properties, specifically the residential stratified development, the investors and the homeowners become more concerned about their investment and property condition. Therefore, the property manager must possess a diverse set of skills and be more committed to develop measurable performance set of skills in order to ensure that the client's goals are fulfilled. The Covid-19 outbreak will be recognized as the event that completely changed our way of life in 2020 and further forced us to realign many aspects of healthcare service to a higher standards. The Movement Control Order MCO, which were imposed by the Prime Minister Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin in order to stop the spread of Covid-19 virus, which at once has caused every property manager, homeowners and the occupants appreciate the needs of competent property management and adequate building care. A set of standard and operating procedure SOP or instruction on Covid-19 preventive measures in strata buildings and high-rise development were also issued by the Housing and Local Government Ministry and also other authorities, which is continually updated. This research is important as it determines the current implementation of property management practice, specifically in cleaning service, especially during this pandemic era. Here are the research objectives. Objective 1 is to determine the current cleaning services process in the property management practice. Objective 2 is to evaluate the property owner satisfaction towards the current cleaning service process in the property management practice in reducing the transmission of COVID-19. What is cleaning service? Cleaning service is a set of recurring tasks that can be performed on daily, weekly and monthly basis. Cleaning is within the category of operation and maintenance, which falls under the facilities management. According to the International Facilities Management Association, IFMA, it is a multidisciplinary profession that safeguards the built environment's functionality by combining people, technology and also process. Next is high-rise residential. The high-rise residential or the term strata was first used legally in 1985 in relation to the significant development of multi-story structures in major Malaysian cities as a result of rapid urbanization. Strata management has received a lot of attention since the Strata Management Act 2013, Act 757, was amended in 2015. The concept of high-rise or strata living is not new anymore. The River Range, which a high-rise residential complex on Penang, was built in the early 1970s. Due to the rising cost of land, this style of housing has grown increasingly popular in urban areas. In this high-rise residential, there are a number of facilities and amenities. They are such as playground, swimming pool, gymnasium, 24-hour security system with CCTV, access card, and also other features. There are several types of high-rise residential. They are such as flat, apartment, condominium, Soho, and also penthouse. Prevention of the spread of disease and infection. The recent virus outbreak had a significant impact on cleaning method and standards for all types of facilities and properties, especially strata housing. SARS-CoV-2 causes coronavirus disease 2019, COVID-19 is a respiratory infection. Close personal contact and respiratory droplets are the most common ways for the COVID-19 virus to spread out. Therefore, cleaning services is one of the vital roles in reducing the transmission of COVID-19 virus in the strata residential. COVID-19 virus transmission can also be through direct touch with the infected person, as well as indirect contact, which is the surface in the nearby area or the thing used on the infected person. This shows that the strata residents were exposed to the COVID-19 virus as they sharing the same facilities and amenities at the common area. Moving on to the research methodology. For this study, there are two approaches have been used, which are involving qualitative data and quantitative data. Likert scale has been applied in order to develop questionnaire. The questionnaire consists of closed-ended question, while for qualitative data involving an interview session with the property manager of Kalista Residence. The collected statistical data from the questionnaire has been analyzed by using SPSS software. This software shall projected a visual aids represent the analyzed data. From the data, the frequency analysis were generated. The case study for this research is Kalista Residence Seremban 2. It is an apartment types of property, which is one of the developments by IJM Land Berhad, it also consists of various facilities and amenities such as swimming pool, gymnasium, basketball courts, and also many others. Data analysis. The survey response rate is 50%, and here we can see the summary of respondent satisfaction toward current cleaning services provided in Kalista Residence. 83% of the total respondents were satisfied with overall quality of cleaning services in Kalista Residence. 81% satisfied with the equipment used in conducting the cleaning services. 88% satisfied with the cleaning service provided as they promised. 85% were satisfied with the cleaning time. 80% satisfied with the number of workers for the cleaning process. 85% satisfied with response of the workers towards the cleaning practice. 89% satisfied with the staff support, and 84% of the total respondents satisfied with the current cleaning services conducted in the Kalista Residence. Moving on to the second type of approach, which interview conducted for qualitative data. There are two main topics have been discussed with the Kalista Residence property manager. The topics has been discussed were types of cleaning services maintenance conducted and also current cleaning services practice. Due to the pandemic situation, the property management team had to perform additional tasks as compared to the previous period, especially in cleaning services process. There are three additional input that being included in the cleaning services practice. First is hand hygiene. According to the Ministry of Health Malaysia, hand hygiene refers to the act of cleaning one's hands by using soap and water, antiseptic wash, and also an alcohol-based hand rub (ABHR) solution. The danger of infection is greatly reduced if the hands are kept hygienically clean. Therefore, the property management team took the initiative to put the hand wash soap in every public toilets and also put the sanitizer fluid at the places that are the main route by the residents, such as stairs, lift, corridors, guardhouse, and many other places. Now, I will elaborate on how this research able to connect the findings with the research objective, subsequently announcing that this research is a success. What do we know from this research? This study is able to identify the current cleaning services process in the property management practice in Kalista Residence. Hence, the research objective 1 have been achieved. This study also helped us to study the satisfaction level of the Kalista Residence occupants towards the current cleaning services process that have been conducted. Thus, the research objective 2 also successfully achieved. The majority of the respondents were satisfied with the current cleaning services practice in the Kalista Residence.